Hello friends, welcome back. Arti, welcome to you. Let us look at this problem related to 9th grade. We have been given to simplify this particular expression. We have square root of 15 plus 4 into square root of 11 divided by square root of 31 plus 8 into root 15 into 1 divided by 8 plus 4 root 11 minus root 165 minus 2 root 15. Now we have to do this separately and we have to do this separately and we have to combine them. We can understand from this that this can be factorized by using grouping them. We are not aware of how to take care of this scenario where we have a square root. So first let's understand how to get this into a perfect square. For that, now let us say root a plus root b whole square. Let us square it. What it will become? Root a whole square plus root b whole square plus 2 into root a into root b, which is equals to a plus b plus 2 root ab. Now that is equals to root a plus root b whole square. Now if I take square root on both sides, can I write down that square root of a plus b plus 2 root ab is equals to root of a plus root of b. Now this is the concept what we are going to use in our particular problem. We have been given in square root, so we'll try to write it into this format, a plus b plus 2 root ab, so that we can say that the square root will be root a plus root b. Let's go ahead, go back to our problem and write down this formula first. What we understood just now, square root of a plus b plus 2 root ab is equals to square root of a plus square root of b. Now let us take the first one. We have square root of 15 plus 4 root 11. But what we want? 2. What we have here? 4. So let us try to take 2 inside the square root so that we can get this format. So we will write down this is equals to 15 plus 2, and in square root 2 will become 4. 4 into root 11, that is equals to square root of 15 plus 2 root 44. Now compare with the formula what we have. We should have a plus b here and this is root ab. So we know that a plus b equals to 15 and 2 root ab is equals to 2 root 44, or simply can I say that ab equals to 44. A plus b is 15, ab equals to 44. So we need two numbers which will add up to 15 and which will multiply to 44. We know very clearly they are 11, 4. So this will become now root a plus root b, that is root 11 plus root 4, which is equals to 2 plus root 11. So we understood the square root of this is equals to 2 plus root 11. Now let's go to the denominator. We will work on the denominator also. Before that I'll erase this. We'll again go back to the second square root what we need to find out now. What is our second square root? We have square root of 31 plus 8 root 15. Now by this time you are very clear what we need to do. We have to get this into a plus b is already there plus 2ab. That means I have to write 8 as 2 into 4 and take 4 in each side. So can I write it as 2 into square root of 4 will go inside, will become 16 So it will become inside root 16 into 15. So it will become now 31 plus 2 square root of 240. Now compare this again. We have a plus b equals to 31 and ab equals to 240. So we need to have two numbers which will add up to 31 and whose product equals to 240. Now a little bit of trial and error, we will get a equals to 16 and b equals to 15. What is the easiest way to get that? Write the prime factorization of 240 and then you try to get them into groups. 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 5. 2 power 4 into 15, 16 into 15. So that will become square root of 16 plus square root of 15, that is equals to 4 plus root 15. So this one we got, that is equals to 4 plus root 15. Now only the thing left out is how to work on this one. So let's go there. We will work on that. For that I will erase this. Now for the remaining part of the problem, that means we will be using, for this we will be using grouping the terms, and we'll see any identity it will fit into. First we'll see groups, because whenever we want to factorize, the order we follow is first look for highest common factor, then after that try to group them and see can we factorize it. Otherwise go for the identities. We have 4 identities. Any one of the identity may work out. First let's try to group this. We will take these two as one group and these two as one group. I can take 4 common. I can write down 4 into 2 plus root 11 minus. If I want to get again 2 plus root 11 here, what I should take common? I have to take root 15 out because I have 2 root 15 and this is 2 here, that means this is root 15. So now we can write this as 4 minus root 15 into 2 plus root 11. Now once we got this, let's go and substitute everything whatever we know. So the first part is the numerator. We got that is 2 plus root 11 divided by, in the denominator we got 4 plus root 15, and in the next part when we worked on this part we got 4 minus root 15 multiply with 2 plus root 11. Now you can see that 2 plus root 11, 2 plus root 11 will cancel. What we have is an identity. A plus b into a minus b can be written as a square minus b square. So it will become 4 square minus root 15 whole square. That is 1 by 16 minus 15, which is equals to 1. So when you simplify this, what we are going to get finally is answer is equals to 1. So one thing why I have shared this particular problem is this type of problems, the concept is there in NCERT, but this type of examples or exercise problems are not there in NCERT. So this particular formula, that square root of a plus b plus 2 root ab equals to root a plus root b. So whenever we have been given problems like square root, then we will try to get this into a plus b plus 2 root ab format, so that our square root will be root a plus root b. So simplifying this, finally our answer is equals to 1. So this is one of the question asked by one of the students as part of his worksheet and his exam in the next week, 9th grade final exams. So I just thought this question is little bit interesting, not covered in most of the textbooks. So I just thought I'll share this with you. Please do let me know your feedback. Thanks for your time and support. Bye for now.